Hey everyone, I'm Babita. Welcome to my channel. Before I start today's video, let me show you outside how gorgeous it looks. We had a snowstorm last Friday and look how beautiful and gorgeous it is outside. I just wanted to show you all. And all of this snow and cold is making me crave some hot and spicy chicken curry. So let's walk back and let me show you how it's done. I want to make a spicy curry quickly and not have to labor over it for hours. So I decided to make a Thai chicken curry which will be ready in 20 minutes. It's perfect for those who don't know to cook or are even beginner cooks. To make the Thai curry, I use ready-made paste that you can see over here. And the reason for that is it's difficult to find Thai fresh ingredients in the local grocery stores. I have to travel quite a distance and that's not possible every time. So I like to use these pastes. This is one of my favorite brand of paste for any kind of Thai curry. I use it to make chicken curry, seafood curry and vegetable curry also. This particular brand is great for vegetarians because it has no fish sauce, and there are different kinds of Thai curries, Thai curry paste available in the market. This one is green curry paste and this one is the red curry paste. Green curry paste is spicy, very spicy, and this one is slightly less spicier than the green curry paste. So for today's recipe, I'm going to show you the green curry paste, and if you follow me, I'll show you how to whip up a good batch of Thai chicken curry. To start off, I'm going to add this paste into this pot over here. This is the green paste I was telling you about. And next, I'm going to add water. And now I'm going to mix it well. Now to this, I'm going to add turmeric powder. Actually, this powder is optional. I add it because that makes this curry more vibrant. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt. This paste already has salt, but I'm adding the salt for my taste. Again, I'm going to mix it. And now I'm going to switch on the stove and bring this to a boil. So you can see the curry is boiling now. There is no oil added because the paste has some oil in it. So I'm not going to add any extra oil. And now I'm going to add the chicken pieces. These are the leg and thigh pieces I'm using, and they are bone excuse me, bone-in pieces. You can use breast pieces if you want, and your cooking time will reduce even more with breast pieces. I'm just going to mix it. I'm going to add a little bit more water. Cover it with a lid and allow it to cook. When the chicken is done cooking halfway through, I'm going to add coconut milk. You can add fresh coconut milk or you can add canned coconut milk. Today I'm using canned coconut milk. And now I'm going to place the lid on it and then allow it to finish cooking. The curry is done, and at this point you could add some vegetables like red bell pepper or sliced carrots or bamboo shoot slices if you want. Another thing is in traditional Thai cooking they also add fish sauce. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this? Fish sauce, like a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, but for my recipe for this chicken curry, I don't add it. So now I'm going to take it off the heat and get ready to serve it. So here is a Thai curry. You saw how quick it was to make this Thai chicken curry, and I'm going to taste a little bit of it. Oops. You can see it. You can serve this with jasmine rice. I actually have some boiled rice, parboiled rice, so I eat it with this as well. Let me taste it. Perfect. You can smell the lemongrass, you can smell the galangal and the coconut milk, they all come together, and it's absolutely delicious and so aromatic. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe for Thai chicken curry. Wasn't it easy? If you have enjoyed, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, I'm going to put the exact full recipe and exact measurements on my blog, and I'm going to post the link in the description below. So make sure to check it out. Until next time, goodbye.